on the next Glee project.
We're doing a whole bunch of duets today. Should we all come closer and let's have a chit-chat about what's happening? Let's talk about your guys' stories and what's happening.
We have Baby, It's Cold Outside.
Right, and it's going to be very, very, very playful. So you're going to be trying to
Seduce me.
And you two divas.
We have nowadays.
Call me a diva. So wait, have we picked who's who?
So she's Roxy, I'm Velma.
Yeah. As Alex or as
I don't know.
And then you guys.
Yeah, we
Ladies Tramp.
Ladies and Tramp.
Do you guys know the song?
Yeah. We know the song.
Any kind of connection that we have when it's two guys together, it's going to be a whole other beat. And then you guys are going to be rock stars.
Oh, alrighty.
And we'll just work two of you guys at a time to kind of give that space because you guys like to talk.
From the producers of Glee, The Glee Project. So new every Sunday at 9, 8 Central. Only on Oxygen.